Master Chef 2025 Inter-Municipality Cook-Off Battle. Ako po yung mga kasama ngayong umaga ito. My name is Vince Ganda or the Vince the Pickup Puente. At first, 4 na taon ko na po pinag-host ang ating event na ito. Kaya naman, na-excite ako taon-taon dahil sigurado iba-iba at level up ang ating mga matitikman na mga lutuin mula sa ating mga participants sa ating kompetisyon ito. Of course, para sa pagsisimula ko ng ating programa para i-welcome po tayong lahat ngayong umagang ito. Ladies and gentlemen, bigyan po natin mas gabong palakpakan ang mga magbibigay po ng mensahe sa atin ngayong umagang ito. Sa pangunguna ng ating overall chairman of Bantayan Festival 2025 and our OIC from Camarines Norte Provincial Tourism Operations Office. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Mr. Abel C. Icanlo.
Una po, nais kong ipahatid sa inyo ang pagbati ng ating punong lalawigan, Governor Tom Padilla at Vice Governor, pangalawang punong lalawigan, Vice Governor Joseph Ascucha. And of course, also greetings from the Provincial Tourism Operations Office. Nandito po si Sir Joel, nandito si Sir Glenn. At syempre pa, binabati rin natin yung kaisa-isang tourism officer ata from our municipality, si Ma'am Jolaine Avante. Magaling yan sa triathlon. Very successful yung triathlon. Sumasali pati siya, no? So, ano ba yan? This month of April, we are celebrating the so-called Food Month as declared by the National Commission for Culture and Arts. And therefore, every year in the Philippines, there are many activities related to food preparation, cook fest, cooking competition, and so forth and so on. And here in the province of Camarines Norte, we are not an exception. So we have this cook fest, cook-off battle during the Bantayan Festival. And for many years, our flavors, our ingredients, our materials for cooking somehow have impacted a great deal of appeal to the senses, to the palate of a lot of our people. That's why it's good that we in the Bantayan Festival are holding this kind of event so that we can celebrate two things. One is that we're celebrating our local heritage and culture. And second, we're celebrating the talents of our master chef. And of course, I'd like also to extend our greetings to the members of the Board of Judges who will be introduced in due time later. And of course, the faculty and students of St. Francis Caracciolo Culinary Academy. I think they're pioneering into this kind of courses on Philippine cuisine, on cooking. So we're so thankful to them because they are part of our celebration as our major sponsor for the Bantayan Festival. So this is more than just a competition, iisipin natin. Why? Because this is nothing but a celebration of your creativity, of your ingenuity, of our spirit of community, of your talents, of your capacity to innovate when it comes to culinary artistry. That's why this is a very important event for all of us. And this is also one way by which we can market our province, no? The province of Camarines Norte is not in any one thing in talents, not in any one thing in great master chefs who could dish out the best cuisine there is. No? I don't know exactly what you're going to produce for this competition. I don't know the rules. But one thing I'm sure of is that we're going to have a great day today. We're going to have a very tasteful day today, mga kababayan. Kaya kami po sa pamahanap ng Lalawigan ay nagpapasalamat sa inyong partisipasyon, sa inyong pagsali dito, at syempre pa sa sponsorship, sa pagtulong, sa pagkambag, sa isang malaking papel na ginagampanan ng St. Francis Caracciolo Culinary Academy. Andito ba si Sir Edward? Wala. Si Sir John Mark lang nandito. John Mark Malon nila. At nagpapasalamat po kami because you have been a big chunk of our fight when it comes to, promoting the province of Camarines Norte among our tourists. Kaya maraming salamat. Napakaganda ng setup natin. Siyempre, salamat sa Central Plaza Mall. Palakpakan po natin ang Central Plaza Mall for allowing us to have this activity in their atrium this morning. So, siguro po, yun lang. Sana ay maging maayos ang ating kompetisyon ngayong umaga. And may the good Lord bless our food and bless ourselves for a healthy, fruitful, and palatable competition as well as day for all of us. Maraming salamat po. Pagpalain po ng po may kapal tayong lahat at ang ating magandang gawain. Thank you very much and welcome to our Bantayo Cook Fest or Master Chef Battle. Ayan. Thank you po.
Thank you very much. Palakpakan po natin once again, Mr. Abel Ikatlo. Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po natin our College Dean of SMCCA, give it up for Mr. John Mark Dilanco.
Good morning, everyone. On behalf of our school president, Chef Edward Balon, our corporate secretary, Ma'am Nelia Balon, our vice president for academic affairs, Sir Edson Balon, our vice president for finance, Sir Helen Balon, all the faculty and staff of SFCCA, again, good morning. To our OIC Provincial Tourism Officer, Sir Bello, our Provincial Tourism family, Sir Joel Segundo, Ms. Angel, Sir Glenn, to our Department of Tourism, our Region 5, on the way na po sila. So from PIO Camarines Norte, to our judges, Ms. Jasmine Valenzuela, Ma'am Angie, Chef Dan, thank you for the time at nandito po tayo for the event. Thank you for supporting SFCCA. To all the students of SFCCA, good morning again. To all the participants from 5 municipalities from Basud, Mercedes, Paracale, Talisa, and San Vicente, thank you very much for the time and effort na nakipag-cooperate po kayo sa SFCCA for this specific event. Brief background lang po. So, ito pong Master Chef is 8 years na pong ginagawa at 8 years na po na SFCCA ang may hawak ng Bantayo Master Chef. So, yung pong ibang mga participants naging successful na, meron na silang sariling business, meron pong yung iba nagtatrabaho sa restaurant, yung pong iba nagtatrabaho na rin sa ibang bansa. So, by means of this competition, nabago po yung buhay nila. And we hope dun po sa mga participants natin by this year, maging stepping stone po ninyo ito para ma-fulfill yung dreams ninyo at magkaroon kayo ng sarili yung legacy in terms of cooking. Another thing po, yung pinaka-highlight talaga ng Bantayo Master Chef, kasi pag sinabi po natin Pampanga, meron silang sisig, tama? Pag sinabi natin Ilocos, meron silang bagnet. Ang Camarines Norte po, wala pa tayong identity. So by means of this competition, ito po yung magbibigay ng way para at least mas makilala si Camarines Norte in terms of food. So we are hoping na yung mga magagawa ng mga participants natin and someday makilala po tayo Camarines Norte pagdating sa pagkain, pagdating sa tourism, most especially dun po sa product na magagawa ng mga participants natin. And sa lahat ng mga students na organizers, organizing committee, third year and fourth year MICE and exhibit management, Thank you very much sa effort, sa time. Lahat ng ito, pinaghirapan po nila, pinag-isipan. And of course, sa advisor nila, Chef Seg, thank you very much. Hindi na ako ang na-pressure ngayon. Binigay ko ang pressure sa iyo and hindi pa naman tapos yung event. Job well done. And congratulations, Seg. Lahat na yan, okay na. So again po, thank you very much and mag-enjoy po tayong lahat.
Right now, ladies and gentlemen, eto na, kilalanin na natin ang ating mga hurado na kikilapis at titikim ng ating mga masasarap na pagkain na lulutuin ngayong araw na ito. We call on Chef Siegfried Joseph Sarita together with our college team, Mr. John Mark Delampo. Okay. Ayan, ang dalawa natin ating head coordinator right now, and of course our chairman of the Master Chef. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Miss Angelica R. Cañas. Our second judge, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Miss Jasmine Alimurong Valenzuela. Ladies and gentlemen, our third judge and our chairman of the board of judges, Chef Daniel Beltran. Iba't ibang mga hotels and restaurants.
Okay, good morning everyone. So the mechanics for Batay Master Chef 2025 are the following. Of course, for the taste, 50%, plating, presentation, 25%, highlights the product of the municipality, 15%, sanitation and hygiene, 10%, total of 100%. So these are the criteria for judging the Master Chef 2025. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, eto na para makasama natin at ipakilala isa-isa ang ating mga participants. Ladies and gentlemen, from the municipality of Panacale, we have Mr. John Ray Maligan and Lota Bartola. And of Blasod, we have Joy Evangelista and James Daring Hint. Magpapakalas na galing mula sa municipality of Mercedes, we have Mark Jordana Bonds together with Miss Lisoy Batumaya Torrio. Pamamalas na galing, lalo na kapag nakabantay ang Municipal Tourism Officer. Si Mama Jelena Bante, we have from the municipality of Talisay. Give it up for Zenith Villarreal and Floramel Villarreal. Hindi dyan magpapahuli ang munisipyo kung saan ako nang galing. Oo, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for our next participant, representing the municipality of San Vicente, Maria Bellaponio and Glenn Sully. Ating mga participants, at kaya naman ay magsisimula na ng very line ang ating kompetisyon para masimulan na natin ang ating Master Chef 2025. Of course, sa pagkakaalam po ng lahat ng mga nandito po ngayon, tayo po ay magkakaroon ng tinatawag nating elimination round. Sa elimination round na po ito ay siyempre nandyan ang kanilang mga, tama naman siguro ako same pa rin, ang kanilang original dish na kanilang ipapatikim galing sa kanilang mga munisipyo. And of course, after yan, susuriin at titikman yan ng ating mga hurado at dadako tayo mamaya para naman sa ating final round. Kung ano ang gagawin sa final round, ay malalaman nyo yan maya-mayang konti. Kaya naman, eto na. Of course, bago tayo magsimula ay meron lamang po tayong time limit para sa ating elimination round na ito. Tayo ay bibigyan ng ilang oras to. 1 hour and 30 minutes. And of course, bago tayo magsimula ngayong umagang ito, we would like to acknowledge the presence, of course, ang ever supportive, ang ating mga kasamahan from TOT5. Of course, maraming salamat, headed by our Regional Director, Herbie Aguas. We have here Sir Joseph Julius, ayan. Of course, nasa si Sir Joseph na miss. Oh my God, nandito ka lang pala sa taas. Yan, meron tayo from DOT5. And of course, yan, maraming salamat, sir. Naku, mag-i-enjoy po kayo ngayong araw nito. Kayo naman, doon po ako pinipicture ng ganyan, sir. Dapat makita ko sa DOT dyan. And of course, kasama din natin from Camarines Norte Provincial Tourism Operations Office. Walang pangalan na po natin. Ayan, maraming salamat po. And of course, siyempre pa, sa pagpapatuloy po ng ating, and of course, may mga bisita po tayo, may mga vloggers, photographers, all over na nagmamasid at manonood sa atin ngayong araw na ito. Eto na, simulan na po natin ang ating kompetisyon ngayong araw na ito. Inuulit ko po, meron lamang po kayong 1 hour and 30 minutes para sa preparation ng ating mga dish na gagawin ngayong araw na ito. Kapag natapos na po ang oras, finish or not finish, finish it. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, eto na! Simulan na natin ang ating Batagong Master Chef 2025 Inter-Municipality Cook-Off Battle. Let's go! ay ang mga pasok sa top 3. Congratulations to Paracale! Next, you are also in Municipality of Basur. You are also in Municipality of San Vicente. Meron lamang po kayong isang oras para sa preparation ng iyong pagluluto. Right now, ladies and gentlemen, ayan, titignan nyo na mabuti ang mga ingredients na available dito para mapili nyo na o ano ang gusto nyong kunin. Pero ang pinaka-importanting parte dyan ay malaman natin ang laman ng ating mystery box ingredient. Right now, once again, ladies and gentlemen, our second runner-up goes to Municipality of Basur. Congratulations, of course, sa ating mga winners. From the Municipality of Basur, we have Mr. Joy Evangelista and Mr. James Stalin Gift. Congratulations sa inyo, ang kagaling nyo. Magluto naman kayo sa bahay minsan. Pag-fiesta. And now, we will proceed sa ating first runner-up. Sino nga kaya sa bayan ng Paracale o bayan ng San Vicente? And our champion of this event, Masters Bantayan Master Chef 2025 Inter-Municipality Cook-Up Battle. Go Solo! You are the champion, Municipality of San Vicente! Our new champion! Guys, first time sumali ang San Vicente sa Master Chef, pero sila ang nanalo ngayon. Pero, unahan po muna natin bigyan ang ating first runner-up. Congratulations! Victory po! There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. At may bago tayong kampiyon sa araw na ito. Congratulations, Municipality of Bulacan. And right now, ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome the grand champion of Master Chef 2025, Municipality of San Vicente. Congratulations to Ms. Maria Bellaquano and Mr. Lan Suli. And of course, congratulations din sa ating representative from Malacane, Sir John Ray Magligan and Ms. Donta Bartola. You will be receiving a certificate of scholarship, of course. Wow! Ayan. Thank you very much.